Smart parking system based on IoT. The main abstract of this project is the major problem in day-to-day life is parking of vehicle, especially the car parking at an appropriate place, and this issue indirectly lead to a traffic congestion. Searching for a parking space is a routine activity for many people in cities around the world. This search burns about 1 million barrels of the world's oil every day. The website is accessible by providing a user ID and the password to the user. In order to reduce the time for congestion on searching an appropriate place for parking, instead we can reserve our parking slot early by using a mobile application or a website using IoT. This is a kit. This is an IR sensor. This is an IR sensor. This is an LCD display. This is a microcontroller modem. And it is an IoT modem. The data in IR, by the use of IR sensor, the data will be transmitted to LCD display. From the LCD display, it will be transmitted to microcontroller. Then it will be transmit the data to the IoT modem, that is GSM, with the use of the SIM. By the use of SIM, we can register in the mobile website. myiotprojects.com. register username, password, email, password. First create the user. Then the register page will appear with the username and the password. You can sign in your account. Then switch on the kit. This is a power supply. In the microcontroller, the power supply has been given from the GSM SIM. The login page will be appeared. First the IR sensor is receiving the data. If it is green means then the space is empty. Then the space is empty in LCD display. So P1 is empty. If the space is filled, if the space is registered means it will be red and green. If someone park the car in the registered term, then it will be buzzing sound, noting that it is alarming for doing the wrong parking. From this, the data will be sent to LCD display. Then it will be sent to microcontroller. Microcontroller will send the data to the GSM modem. Then the register page will be appeared. Then the parking slots page will be appeared as button 1, button 2, button 3, that is parking place. And if it is filled means filled, then it is registered means registered, then it is empty means empty. Empty means we can register the park. The registered means we can't able to do the registration. If it is filled means we can't register that place. The conclusion of this project is thus, with the help of IoT, to minimize the time for searching an appropriate area for parking and to reduce the fuel and time waste by booking our nearest available parking slot through a mobile app or a website. Here, IR sensor is used to detect the vehicle and the live status displayed on the LCD. The whole system is controlled by a microcontroller, which is also connected to a GSM and GPS to track the nearest parking area.